Greetings all, yeah, best from the West. I'm still in Portugal. Pray you're all good health and everything's tickety-boo. Life's going good for you. You're going upstream rather than downstream. If you want to go downstream, it's totally up to you. I suggest we go upstream because when we go upstream, we're going to the future. And you know, life is good, life is beautiful, you know, good health and everything. So listen, I'm in Portugal still, yeah? And I'm walking down and I've just walked past this lamppost and I heard this noise. Now tell me if you can hear this noise. Now that is coming from a lamppost. Yeah? So what do you think that noise is? To me it sounds like electricity. But it can't be because it's I don't understand what's going on. It would be live if it was electricity. It can't be water. So what is it? Listen again. Yeah, I wonder what that is. So if anyone knows, is an electrician or anything, anyone from Portugal or anywhere, and they can tell me what that noise is, I'm going to go and see if I can hear it from another one as I'm walking. Yeah, just to see if I hear that noise again. All right then. Be good, look after yourselves. Yeah, no, it's just a little thing. Oh yeah, everyone's just, yeah, as you see, Portugal. It's really, really a beautiful, beautiful country. I like the colours of the buildings and everything, you know. Anyhow, yeah, that's it. Anyhow, talk to you all later. Make sure that you're going to look after yourselves. And remember, if no one told you today they love you, I'm telling you, I love you. Only you. See ya. Bye.